Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is I'm going to talk about what I've learned in the year 2024, what I'm going to take from that, and I wanted to share what I know so that way you don't make the same mistakes that I did. So before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, and don't forget to subscribe. It's a free way to help your girl out. So let's get started. All right. So, what I've learned in the year of 2024 is I really just feel like working a 9 to 5 is just so redundant. Like, it's so dumb. It is so, like, annoying. And to be honest, I truly believe that everybody should have some type of side hustle, some type of business, because employers, if you work a 9 to 5, I don't care if you are the best people pleaser or you are the office snitch, or I mean, like you kiss ASS up in that office or whatever. If employers don't want you, they don't want you. Like they're gonna try to get rid of you every chance that they get. And I just feel like for me, I'm at a point in my life where I'm a very hard worker. I'm a very hard worker. I work super hard. And I just feel like I'm at a point now where I don't believe in working hard for somebody else's company. Like you work so hard for I feel like pennies, and you give a lot of your personal time, like all of your time, to a company that can just replace you like that, you know? And I just really feel like since it's 2025, I'm about to go very hard on this YouTube, on my passion, on what I love, my psychic readings, and also to working super hard on posting content for you guys. I gave a lot of my time away to a 9 to 5, and no matter what you do, it will never be enough for people and not care. That's what I believe on that. I'll give you an example. Like I worked for this company that it was like a it was like a morning, like it started at what, like for me it was like 9 in the morning to like 3 in the afternoon. That company was just ridiculous. Like I just needed like a little like side money, like a little, so I was working there 5 days a week, and the company, like they just kept I kept getting talked to by management or whatever, saying like, oh, you came in late or you need to be on time, which I understand, but it was just like dumb petty things. Like I just kept getting talked to over and over for stuff, and even though I like called ahead and said, hey, I'm running like 5-10 minutes late or whatever, I would still get talked to about it. What really set me off was I ended up quitting that job. It was like during like Labor Day weekend or whatever. I got sick really bad. And so this company wanted me to come in and work on a Monday, which was Labor Day, and we don't get holiday pay. So I was like, what the heck? So on Sunday, I was really sick. I got really sick. So I went ahead and got a doctor's note, and I emailed it to them and everything that Sunday. And then I even got an email back saying, okay, well, I hope you feel better. So on Tuesday, when I got to work, I got written up for being absent, even though I had a legitimate doctor's note, everything like that. And I just thought that was crazy. And so I said, I feel like legally, like, this ain't right. Like, this ain't right. I should be legally protected. Like, I have a doctor's note. Like, I'm sick. Like, what do you want me to do? Come to work and get everybody sick? Like, is that what y'all want me to do? So I had made an appointment with the directors and everything, the people that own the company. I had made because management was telling me we writing you up for this, and I just felt like that wasn't right. And so I made an appointment, talked to the owners of the company, They were the ones that were like, yeah, write her up for that or whatever. And I was like, are y'all serious? So I said, like, do you just want me to come to work and get everybody sick? And they're like, no, no, of course not. No. And I was like, okay. So yeah, I had to quit. A moral of the story is I don't believe in working for someone else's company where I'm going to unalive myself for working way too hard and like all this stuff. I just think that's crazy, and it's not worth it. Definitely, if you are in a job where you just everything you do may not be enough, or everything that you do may be enough, but you're extremely exhausted and tired because you're like constantly trying to get your boss to like you. You're constantly trying to make sure that you have a permanent position at your job, and you're trying to make sure nobody gets your title or your spot or whatever. I'm telling you, it's cutthroat. It is so cutthroat. It's crazy how things are. And then you got people that you work with that try to set you up and try to get you fired. You know, it's just people are so fake and so ridiculous, especially in the work. Like, I really feel like nobody's your friend when it comes into the workplace. And if you do have like some really good friends in there and you know they're like you're a good friend, then keep those because they're very super rare to find. But basically what I've came to the conclusion of, as if you feel like you're just unhappy and not satisfied, I feel like God is going to get you out of that situation. And I don't mean to bring God into this or whatever, but I'm just saying based off my experience, like you're going to see some, like if you know you're not, like if things just don't go right in a work environment for you, that means that it's time for you to go. Like God wants you to go into another direction in your life. And basically, what I got from this is that, you know, y'all know I'm very spiritual. I did like my little tarot cards and I pulled a message out for this video. Is that I got the Page of Pentacles, basically. What this card means, you guys, means that it's time to follow your passion and your dreams. And doing that, you will be rewarded financially, prosperity wise. You will be rewarded, but it's time to take action now and to follow your dreams. It is 2025. Start the new year right. Start following your dreams and your passion. I'm not saying to quit your 9 to 5 to do your passion, but I'm just saying if you have the means to, do it. You know what I mean? The next card that we have here is 0F's Given. So basically what I get from this card is that people are probably have criticized you about your dreams. Whether it's like, I want to make pottery, or I want to be an artist, or I want to be a dancer, or whatever. You know what I mean? Stop caring what everybody thinks. It may be your family, maybe people who you thought were your friends, just anybody trying to stop you from doing what you want to do. Have 0F's given. Do what makes you happy. Doing that, you're going to attract abundance and happiness and being your authentic self. That is going to create a higher vibration for you, and you're going to attract higher vibrational people to you, people that are meant to be in your energy field and with you throughout this lifetime. So that's basically what I get from that. I really hope you guys take what I say to heart. But yeah, I had to learn that the hard way for 2024. So even if I have to take the pay cut or whatever to follow my dreams and my passion, I know in my heart it's going to work out, and I know that God is going to make a way for me. So, and I feel it in my bones. I just feel it, and I feel like I had to share this with you guys as well because I want all of us to win, and there's enough for everyone, you know. So definitely that is the message that I got, and this was something that I wanted to share. Stop people pleasing and follow your dreams and your passion, because life is too short, and who knows, like you would probably make a fortune doing what you love than just trying to just make ends meet and work a 9 to 5. So, and for the people that like working a 9 to 5 and don't have a problem with it, then I guess this video is not for you. So Yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical.